The Malle Mile is the worst weekend you could ever come to. It's just a bunch of motorcyclists doing things that motorcyclists probably shouldn't do. Riding bikes in the sunshine, in the mud, drinking beer, having fun, meeting up with friends, chilling out, eating good food. Sounds awful. I'm out. I'm never coming again.
We go back to the old days where if you fuck up, it's your fault. Be a man about it and fucking just get on and ride. It's all about having fun, not about rules and regulations. Everyone looks out for everyone, no one takes the piss too much. No one's going to blame anyone if anything goes wrong, you know? We're all grown men, we know what we do. It makes it more exciting when you can have a fuck about and laugh and do what you want to do, you know? That's what it's all about.
Everyone here is part of, and I don't mean like necessarily like young people, I mean like we're all part of a big Malle family. It's all friends of friends of friends. You don't have to be non-competitive, it's just about fun racing, doing it on grass at relatively low risk. You can ride whatever you own. It's just about loving motorcycles and being on them and being around your friends.
There can be only one winner. We start with 100 riders, we finish with one. Embarrass yourself. Don't fit it now and embarrass yourself. He's running to the course boundaries. We might.
If you imagine the best wedding you've been to, combined with a Hells Angels party and a picnic, then you're about halfway there. Then you have to add in far too much drinking.
Yep.
You have to divide that by the amount of laughs that you get. Then you need to add one. Then you're there.
Yeah. And it's the only place in the world where you'll find competitions like my boyfriend looks like my dad.
Dogs look like their owners.
Dogs look like their owners. This doesn't happen anywhere else but the Malle Mile, so you should come here next year and drink all of that in.
if anybody has a girlfriend that looks like your own mother, we want to see some footage of that. Footage, photos. We just want to see it. Don't be shy, nothing to be embarrassed about. It's endearing.
It must be footage and it cannot be a still photo.
Now, if your girlfriend is my mother, we don't want to see that.
My name's Johnny, I'm the co-founder of the Malle Mile. We started the Malle Mile about, well, this is the 5th year, so 5 years ago. We just wanted to create a playing field for people to turn up on pretty much anything and have a go at racing, their friends, strangers, family, and have a good party in the middle. My favourite race, it has to always be the sprint race. That's how it started. A 1/8 of a mile grass track sprint race, head to head, and then it always goes down to a derby knockout. So if there's 50 riders in the final derby group, they go 2 at a time until there's 2 left, and they become the man of the mile, man or woman of the mile.
Where did you find those commentators?
The commentators, where did we dig them up? Good question.
Well done. Thank you.
Bruno Morris is one of a dear old friend of mine who's right here.
Soon, darling. Thank you for your help as well.
This gentleman was asking about the commentators. Where did I find you?
I hear they're fantastic.
I hear they're great. Where did we find you?
I think you bought me on eBay.
I did. I bought you.
Buyer
on
must
eBay.
collect.
I did. I tried to return you, but
Yeah.
there was no returns.
There was no returns and there's certainly no guarantee. So, yeah, no, we met about 6 years ago.
Yeah.
7 years ago.
And Bruno was talking at a friend's, very dear friend's wedding, and was hilarious.
As ever.
We thought we'd bring him into the mile.
Yeah. And this is somewhat like a wedding, isn't it?
Kind of like a wedding with more motorbikes.
Yeah. It's like marriage of human
Marriage
and
of
machine.
You're not allowed to be seen on your own without me.
And this
yeah,
other
sorry.
commentator we found somewhere on the internet as well.
Always have to be seen together, us.
Yeah.
That's the rules.
One service announcement.
I don't have to say anything, but I'm always going to be here.